Episode 25: Xavier's Contributions to Interfaith Dialogue. Hello everyone. In this episode, we explore St. Francis Xavier's exceptional contributions to interfaith dialogue. Xavier's engagements with various religious and cultural traditions, along with his emphasis on interfaith dialogue, played a significant role in fostering modern interfaith relations. Xavier's engagements with various religious traditions. St. Francis Xavier's missionary journey exposed him to a diverse range of religious and cultural traditions. He encountered different belief systems and engaged with individuals from varied religious backgrounds. Emphasis on understanding and respect. Xavier's approach to interfaith dialogue emphasized understanding and respect for different belief systems. He recognized the importance of acknowledging and appreciating the diversity of religious traditions. Engagement with diverse cultures. Xavier's engagement with diverse cultures was fundamental to his mission work. His ability to adapt and respect local customs and beliefs facilitated more meaningful interactions and discussion. Role of interfaith dialogue in Xavier's mission work. Interfaith dialogue was central to Xavier's mission. He engaged in conversations and discussions with individuals of various religious traditions, aiming to foster mutual understanding and respect. Impact on modern interfaith relations. Xavier's emphasis on interfaith dialogue set a precedent for modern interfaith relations. His approach paved the way for increased tolerance, understanding, and cooperation among diverse religious communities. Encouraging dialogue and harmony. Xavier's efforts aimed at fostering dialogue and harmony between different religious traditions. His legacy emphasizes the importance of peaceful coexistence and cooperation among diverse faiths. Contribution to global interfaith understanding. Xavier's contributions to interfaith dialogue became a stepping stone for global interfaith understanding. His approach set an example for promoting mutual respect and peaceful cohabitation. Enduring influence of Xavier's interfaith approach. Xavier's commitment to interfaith dialogue continues to have a profound influence on contemporary interfaith relations. His legacy encourages respect, understanding, and collaboration among diverse religious communities. St. Francis Xavier's engagements with various religious traditions and his emphasis on interfaith dialogue were instrumental in fostering modern interfaith relations. His commitment to understanding, respect, and cooperation among diverse religious communities has left a lasting legacy. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's contributions to interfaith dialogue remain an essential part of the ongoing efforts towards mutual respect and understanding among diverse religious traditions.